Now we shall do footprints without feet. Lesson first is A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. James Herriot. About the author. James Alfred White Herriot was an English veterinary surgeon and writer. He was born on 3rd October 1916 in England. James Herriot was his pen name. He died on 23rd February 1995 at the age of 78. Its main characters are Mrs. Pumphrey, Tricky, Dr. James Herriot. First one is Mrs. Pumphrey. She was a fabulous, rich and resourceful lady. She had a large number of maids and servants. She was passionately attached to her little dog. She pampered her dog like a spoiled child. She was impractical but very compassionate and caring. She sent fresh eggs for breakfast and wine and brandy for lunch for Tricky in the surgery. She gratefully thanked Dr. Herriot for saving Tricky's life. She called it a triumph of surgery. Next is Tricky. Tricky was a small dog. He was very fond of his owner. He had greed for food. So he became fat and listless. He was to be hospitalized. There, he was not given food but plenty of water. He was transformed into a flexible and hard-muscled dog. Dr. James Herriot. He was a competent veterinary surgeon. He was a capable doctor and a wise individual. He was an animal lover and a caring guardian. He was very worried about Tricky. He suggested his mistress to hospitalize him. He kept Tricky in his surgery. He kept Tricky on very strict diet. He was tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest. He enjoyed fresh eggs for breakfast and wine and brandy for lunch. He was practical and pragmatic. Theme of the lesson A Triumph of Surgery is the story A Triumph of Surgery revolves around an ill dog named Tricky and his mistress Mrs. Pumphrey. Tricky had greed for food and became seriously ill. He was taken to the hospital. He was under the observation of Dr. James Herriot. He gave him no food but plenty of water. This really worked and he recovered completely. Mrs. Pumphrey called this magical recovery a triumph of surgery.